If peace feels a little boring to you, this one's for you. When you've lived on an emotional roller coaster, calm doesn't feel like chemistry. It feels unfamiliar. Your body waits for a drop that never comes. You start to wonder, is this even attraction? Here's the truth. Green flags rarely scream. They steady you. Today, I want to show you 5 green flags that feel like peace, how they show up in real life, and how to recognize them in your body. Green flag 1, steady pace. Healthy interest doesn't rush you into forever. It builds a rhythm you can breathe with. There's curiosity, there's effort, but there's no pressure. Plans happen at a human speed. Time together, time apart, time to think. You don't feel like you have to keep up. You feel like you're allowed to arrive. Green flag 2, words match actions. This one is quiet but life-changing. Let's meet Thursday at 7 turns into a message. I'm here. The follow-through is the point. You don't live in a story about what might happen. You live in what actually does. Consistency turns down the volume on anxiety. You stop checking your phone every 3 minutes because you already know how they show up. Green flag 3, repair after rupture. All relationships have friction. The question is, what happens after? With healthy people, conflict becomes a conversation. There's space to feel, room to clarify, and a shared goal to understand, not to win. They can say, I hear you, I'm sorry. Here, what I'm changing. Repair isn't dramatic. It's honest, specific, and kind. Green flag 4, respect for boundaries. You can say no without losing the relationship. Your needs are not treated like obstacles, they're treated like information. You might hear, thanks for telling me what works for you. There's no sulking, no punishment, no silent treatment. And if a boundary doesn't fit for them, they say so directly and with respect. Green flag 5, emotional regulation. You're not walking on eggshells. There are no tests disguised as tantrums, no disappearing acts to make you chase. Feelings are felt, not weaponized. When they're upset, you see breath, language, and time, not explosions. You're allowed to be human because they're practicing being human too. If calm still feels unfamiliar, you're not broken, you're conditioned. When chaos trained your nervous system to equate sharp highs with love, peace can feel like nothing. But peace is not the absence of connection. It's the ground where connection grows. Think of it like learning to hear quieter music. The song didn't disappear, you're just noticing new instruments. Here are 3 gentle ways to practice feeling safe with the right person. Practice 1, the 3-week check. Ask yourself weekly, do I feel more myself around them? If the answer is slowly moving toward yes, that's a green flag. If you only feel good after big spikes and empty in the quiet, that's conditioning talking. Practice 2, small experiments. Try a little truth and watch the response. I'd like to go slower. I need Sunday as my reset day. I felt a bit overwhelmed last time. Healthy interest adjusts. You don't need a courtroom to be understood, just 2 curious people. Practice 3, track what's real. Journal the basics. Plans made, plans kept, conflicts raised, conflicts repaired, boundaries set, boundaries respected. Seeing the pattern on paper helps your body catch up to reality. If you want exact words to lean on, use these. I enjoy this, and I want to build it steadily. Clarity helps me feel safe. Can we confirm plans the day before? I care about us more than being right. Can we slow down and understand each other? Healthy people don't need thesis-level explanations to be kind. Before we close, a quick reframe. If someone is excited and respectful, that's beautiful. Excitement isn't the problem, pressure is. The test is always the same. What happens when you set a pace that protects you? You deserve a connection that doesn't confuse your body to keep your attention. You deserve follow-through that turns promises into trust. You deserve repair that makes love sturdier, not scarier. You deserve boundaries that don't cost you closeness. And you deserve emotional steadiness that lets you exhale. If peace feels new, that's okay. New can feel awkward before it feels right. Give calm a chance to show you its spark. Give time a chance to reveal who someone is. Choose peace. Choose steady. You're allowed to take your time.